Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, one of the best damn looking Honda HRX217 lawnmowers that has been restyled and restored by me. Okay, it's a VERSAMOW. Very nice lawnmower. I want to apologize about the background noise. My neighbor is pressure washing this. Pressure washing something. Anyway, I paid $50 for this lawnmower. It didn't need anything, but we're going to talk about why. He thought the transmission was blown, and it is absolutely not blown. Anyway, let's confirm of what's going on. He was saying the lawnmower doesn't have the speed that it used to be. Okay, so let's verify what he was saying. I'm going to start this up. I'm going to have the lever on 3 for the speed. We'll see what's going on. It's not moving. Not moving. Alright, so we shut the lawnmower off. We're going to talk about cables and cable adjustments. Okay, this right here is your speed. This is adjustable, but the only time you want to adjust the speed cable is, take you guys off the GoPro, is use your speed cable adjustment right here. Only time you want to adjust your speed cable is if it's not reaching all of these gears, 1, 2, 3. It's all it is control lever. That's it. If your lever is not going to 3, then adjust it. If your lever's not going to 1, adjust it. Don't touch it. This has nothing to do with drive speed. Obviously this is your choke. Okay, so we're going to go underneath here. Okay. Remember the lever? This one here is also for, this is the choke. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, we have one of the best damn looking Honda HRX217 VERSAMOW lawnmowers. Try saying that 3 times fast. I apologize for the background noise. It's my neighbors, they're power washing. But the issue is, I bought this lawnmower for $50. Restyled it, serviced it. The reason why I got it so cheap is that the owner thought the transmission was blown, okay, would not self-propel forward. And I'm going to show you how and why that is not the case. Other symptoms would be a loss of drivability. This thing doesn't self-propel at all. You might also be experiencing, slower speed than usual. Could be the transmission is blown, but before we write it off, let's look at something quick and easy. And if this guy would have done it, he would have saved himself a couple of bucks. Okay, these are your cables coming from the lawnmower. Okay, they're all labeled. This is choke, which comes up here. They're all adjustable. This here is our speed for the transmission, and that's all it controls the speed, nothing else. Okay, so the only time you want to adjust the speed is if this lever doesn't reach these gear numbers. If it reaches these gear numbers, leave it. Okay? Next, we're going to talk about our drive. If you guys don't know which one is the drive, it's labeled as clutch, which is the second one out closest to us. This one is our blade control, which is our stop cable. Okay? And these are all adjustable. Remember, this is for the lever for speeds 1, 2, 3. Don't touch these. Okay? This one is the one we're going to need to adjust, and this one is just for our throttle for the engine. This is to tell the lawnmower if we're stopping or not. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust it right here, and we're going to pull it back. You want to take the camera? Just want to make sure you get a good view. Close. So, as you guys can see, it's 10 millimeter, and there's a nut on the back side. So what you want to do is put one wrench on the back and one wrench on the other side. We're going to break this free. Okay? And we're going to increase tension, so we're going to put these nuts up. See how they're going up towards you? Thread them up towards you. Put them down. Get them back inside. Can't touch it. What are you trying to do?
Just sit down.
Okay. You have to start over. Alright guys, so here we are. These are your cable adjustments. We're gonna adjust this one right here for the drive. It's 10 millimeter. Okay. Crack it loose. Crimp back up. Alright, this is a double nut. If you have issues, put one here and put one here and you could adjust this. We're gonna spin it up towards you, like so. Okay, and just lock it back down. I'm gonna stick our other wrench in there. You know, make it tight, don't make it gorilla tight, you know, you don't want to lock anything down. As you guys see, I painted this lawnmower and we're adjusting past the non-painted part. Alright, so let's start this up and let's confirm that we are right. We're going to have it in speed 3. Let's give it a rev. Alright guys, don't be a fool. Do not write off your $800 lawnmower because you think the transmission is blown. Take this step, less than 5 minutes, 2 10mm wrenches, could have saved you a lot of money. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance, and don't forget the missus and I, we go live every 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Small engine talk and a little bit of everything else. Alright guys, later.